A phone call.
Who is it?
Who's this again? NASA?
What, like NASA?
What, like NASA? Yeah, like Johnson Space Center.
Mr. Johnson? Hey. Oh, thanks. That's really kind of you. It does sound like something we could do. When? And for how long? Okay, that's a thing. Okay, I'll call you back then, right? Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, that was Mr. Johnson, apparently. I think that was his name. Johnson Space Center. Anyway, he has a job for us. Huh, I don't know.
We can't hear you with your visor down. We cannot hear you with the visor down.
Sorry about that. So NASA called. And what's going to happen is they're running an experiment. It's going to take place over the next 5 years. They'll do it 3 times. Each one will last a year. It'll take 4 crew members, lock them in a 3D printed Mars habitat. And where we come in, hopefully, is they want us to design and build machines that they will have to perform maintenance on, regular maintenance.
So the real design trick here is we have to have all of these machines that will last for a year at a time with no maintenance and for a total of 5 years in their life and never break except very specifically and on cue.
So each one will have multiple failure modes that they can rotate through on demand. Those will present in a way that, Harold's talking, they'll present in a way that is, that it's realistic. You'll see a damaged filter cartridge or something like that, and that'll have to be replaced with different types of failures. Now we've got a limited timeline. We've only got 6 months. I've started to put together a crack team. I've got Jeff Meisner's a Siemens engineer. I've got him on electronics. We've got Josh Kendrick on software. We've got Devin on mandolin, and well, I'll be doing my thing, and Matt will be doing his thing. We need somebody on mechanical problem solving as well, because this is going to be a lot more mechatronic than we're used to. So I had an idea.
Get a phone call.
Who is it?
Who is this again? All right, Adam Savage.
Like Charmin commercial Adam Savage?
Like Charmin commercial Adam Savage? Apparently he's better known for Mythbusters.
Oh, I've heard of Mythbusters. Adam, thank you for calling me. Thank you for calling me back. I appreciate it. Thank you. How's every little thing? Great. You think you might be able to do some mechanical consulting for us and NASA? Beautiful. I'll call you back at this number then. And the PDF is on its way to you. Perfect. Nice guy.
I didn't get his number.
Yeah. These reenactments are great. So that happened.
In our conversation on the phone with the NASA guy, one really cool detail came up that I just totally nerded out on, and that is for the crew members to actually talk back to mission control, there is a light lag of between 2 and 20 minutes, depending on the actual relative position of the Earth and Mars around the sun. And when the Earth and Mars are on opposite sides of the sun, there's like a 2-week blackout time where you can't talk because there's a massive burning ball of hydrogen in the way.
The minimum delay, I believe, is 8 minutes each way. Maximum is about 25 minutes each way. Now, here's the other thing, is that the crew members will have to repair these machines. Some of them are inside the hab. 2 of them, I believe, are outside of the hab. To repair those and do maintenance, they'll have to be wearing the full EVA suit, whatever that Martian suit is, with the Martian gloves. And they will have to be able to perform the maintenance on those machines while wearing that stuff and only using the tools available to them.
Mars tools.
Mars tools. The entire thing will happen at Johnson Space Center. It's not going to be in Arizona, like in the desert somewhere or something like that, because that's not really what they're trying to simulate. They're not driving vehicles or any of that stuff. This is basically a human behavior and performance experiment, and we would like to help. We are studying the problem right now, putting a bid together, and we'll see if this thing moves forward, but I really want it to happen. I want to have some impact on actual space travel and our journey to Mars.
This is going to be cool.
I'm happy. Anyway, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't before, and we will see you very soon, hopefully moving forward with this.
Space.
Not again. Oh, dear Lord.
I'm in space.